Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another video here from me at Refresh Cricket. Today we're going to do something slightly different. We've actually got a bat that has been refreshed. I'm just going to show you what it looks like, and then I'll play all the VT backwards and you can see the process from end to start, and you can see how bad the bat is at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But just to show you what the bat looks like now, customers specifically asked for stickers not to be put on this one, so we've got no stickers on here. You can see that there's been some edge some cracking up on the face here. There's been a couple of issues up on this bit here as well, and you'll see later on in the video there's actually quite a serious crack down on the toe. But as you can see, this now is in a really good shape and is actually able to be played again with. So this bat has gone from firewood to now a bat that will hopefully score lots of runs. thanks for staying tuned, guys. I hope you enjoyed that new style of video. Just wanted to show you what the bat looked like when it first came into me. You can see it's a pretty ragtag state. It got quite some face cracking down here, which was cleaned up nice and easily, but the major issue was these cracks along the toe. You can see they do run quite deep, and they are all the way across the toe. So what this should hopefully show you guys is that you really can get any bat refreshed and repaired. So if you do have a bat that is in this kind of condition, or if you are looking to get your bat refreshed, just get in touch and we'll be able to fix any bat that comes in.